Lewis with BMW Manhattan. We're going to give you a behind-the-scenes tour of our service department and what we got going on right now. If you're doing pickup and drop-off for service, you're going to come to 58th Street. You're going to meet either Baker or Zoom. They're going to check you in. And then if you're going to pick your car up, you just come, you give them your tag number, your 4-digit tag number, and they'll make sure you get your car quickly and efficiently. Guys, say hello to everybody.
Hey, everybody. Hey, hey.
All right, let's go check out the rest of the store. How many of you have met Mariah in person before? Raise your hand. Of course, we can't see you, but we're assuming all of you are raising your hand. Mariah is, of course, one of our concierge people. She greets you when you're dropping your car off. She greets you when you're picking your car up. Much like myself and the rest of us at BMW Manhattan, Mariah is looking forward to seeing all of you face-to-face, in person, again, at some point in the future.
I can't wait. I'm so excited.
Awesome. Let's keep moving. One of the unique things about BMW Manhattan is that we are a vertical facility. So instead of being spread out left to right, we're operating up and down. So here we're on 3. I'm with one of our shop foremen, Amir. We're going to show you what goes into diagnosing or reprogramming a car in our service department, using the latest and greatest when it comes to technology directly from BMW. Amir, wave hello to everybody. There we go. Many of you may have met Amir in the past. If you had an issue or a noise that you wanted to diagnose and show directly to one of us, Amir was very likely the person that was riding shotgun with you in your car when you were pointing out that noise. So let's take a look at what goes into diagnosing E60 M5. So Amir, if you don't mind, just tell me what the step-by-step process is when you're hooking up the car.
Basically, what we're going to do is put a battery charger on it first, and then we'll turn on the ignition and connect the scan tool to the OBD connector.
Cool. This gives you all the basic information on the vehicle, the VIN, year, model. While you're getting everything up and running, what is the biggest difference between the factory diagnostic software and, let's say, what I can pick up at my local auto parts store?
The factory software will go into every module in the car. So these cars have lots of modules, so it'll actually short test every module.
So you're going to get a more comprehensive diagnosis as to what might be going on with your BMW when you bring it here?
Yes.
Makes sense to me. All right, so that'll do it for one of our diagnosis bays. All of our technicians, they are now capable of doing it at each individual bay, right?
Yes.
Perfect. So that's a matter of efficiency. We want to get you in and out as quickly as we can, so the faster we're able to diagnose any issues, the faster you can get your car back. Let's move on. Amir, thank you very much for your time. More of the state-of-the-art tools that we have here. Obviously, we have your road force, wheel balancing machines, state-of-the-art alignment rack as well. That right behind me is our in-house car wash. When your vehicle's here, we want to make sure it's clean, it's sanitized all the time. So we'll run it through the wash for you. We even offer full detailing service as well. This is one of our many tool rooms. It has everything that we need to keep things going. In addition, all the technicians have their own tools right in each one of their bays. So now we're hanging out with another one of our shop foremen, Robert, one of our technicians, Domingo. Domingo, how many years have you been here? 10 years. Mr. Robert, how many years?
20 years.
20 years. Wow. He's been working here almost as long as I've been alive. No, I'm kidding. I'm older than 20. Domingo, if you don't mind informing all of our amazing viewers what you're addressing on this 7 Series right now.
Lower radiator line.
Lower radiator line. So Domingo just told me that he actually has to take the entire front bumper off of this 7 Series so he can get to that lower radiator hose. How do you know that that's what you have to do?
BMW teaches us the most efficient way to perform the repairs through videos, training, and clear instructions.
BMW is offering a lot of those classes online for you guys now.
Yes.
So that allows you to keep up to date with the latest and greatest.
Yep.
Awesome.
The basic cars.
This is true. All right, we're gonna keep moving. Thank you, Domingo. So So now I'm going to give you a quick tour of one of our service department parts counters. This is where all of our technicians are able to acquire the different parts that they need in a quick and efficient manner. We have numerous storage facilities for parts on site, so we're able to bring stuff from one of our basements up, and we have a lot of stuff right on the 3rd floor and on the 4th floor. Let's take a look. Now we're walking down from our 4th floor, top floor of BMW of Manhattan from a service and sales perspective. We're going to walk down to our 3rd floor. That's a mirror over there, lifts for storage for cars being worked on or have been worked on. This is one of the Zambonis that we use to constantly keep the facilities clean. There our Zamboni goes, cleaning. This happens on a regular basis throughout the day, throughout the week, and this is how we keep this facility as clean as it is. And we're going to check out our 3rd floor parts department service counter. So now we're walking down from the 3rd floor to the 2nd floor. This is the floor you are most familiar with, our service drive. Now, unfortunately, the facility is close to customers. We are doing customer drop-off as well as valet pickup and delivery.